Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn and Walking Lady. So today we are in Boracay. This is the beginning of station 1. So actually the beginning is kind of right there, but we are going to walk from this part, and then we are going to go to station 2 and then station 3. So we're expecting to cover the whole station 1, 2, 3. So Boracay is one of the top islands in the world. It's 10 kilometers long, and the narrowest part of this island is 1 kilometer. And what makes it special is the sand. So if you look at the sand, it's powdery white, and this is actually where the sand of the time clock comes from. And this, sand is very fine white powdery sand, and that's where people come here for vacation. So this is Willy's rock. This is the famous landmark of Boracay. So you can see that actually you have to go through the water, and then you can climb the stairs and go inside it. Today we're not going to go in this video, but hopefully we'll do that in another video. So station 1 is where you're going to find the widest beach. However, this has the shallowest water. The water is very shallow here. As you walk along, the beach is going to be narrower, and the water is going to be deeper. And also station 1 doesn't have a separate walking path. It's only the beach path which you can walk. But if you go past station 1 and the station 2 and 3, then you're going to see that there's like separate walking path like that along the way, but not here. So a little bit later you're going to see just one path. So we're going to start today's video right now, and we'll just walk starting from here. So station 1 is where all the expensive or upscale resorts and hotels located by the ocean side. And this is not that crowded like station 2, although it feels like crowded right now, but it's a lot quieter comparing to other stations. So station 2 is kind of the center part of the Boracay, and is going to be most crowded. And that's where all the restaurants, D-Mall, cafe, and everything is located. So here you're not going to see that many shops and restaurants. And station 3 is the last part where it's more greenery, and there are some budget hotels located there, but not too many hotels, and it's much quieter. But it has the deepest water there, and the beach is the narrowest in that part of Boracay. So we are covering station 1 right now. So let's just enjoy the walk, and we'll keep walking this way. So hopefully we can cover today the all 3 parts. It's like 5:20 right now. We start, okay, watch your step. We start walking at 5:15. So see how long it takes to finish the complete walk from station 1 to station 3. And this is Boracay in Philippines. So these are see-through kayak. We had one ride yesterday on Puka Beach. So it's very beautiful when you go in the middle of the ocean. You can see actually the bottom of the ocean. So far up ahead you can see the mountains, and you can see some windmills. So yesterday we went all the way there to the Puka Beach and some other beaches. So we had an island hopping tour. And here you can see some hotels. So a lot of these boats actually they're preparing for the sunset tour. So the purpose is to go in the middle of the ocean and watch the sunset, because this part of the beach where you can see the sunset, as you can see it's setting, started to set right now. But on the other side, which is on the left, there is the Bulabog beach. That's where you can see actually the sunrise. So you can see both sunset and sunrise in Boracay from both sides of the beach, or of Boracay. So we got Sunnyside Cafe. Okay, so I found, looks like we have an Instagram model or some kind of model posing for some beautiful videos. And actually I have seen lots of models are here. They're doing videos and Instagram pictures. So you can see that there's no separate path, so this is just one path, and the beach is a lot wider. But if you keep an eye open, then you get to see that the beach is going to start narrower and narrower. So this is the Diamond Age Water Resort, and actually this is where we're staying for one night, and we have ocean view suite, and I think our suite is right there somewhere. So we have just the ocean in front of our face, and we have one night to stay here. So you see that another person is doing picture shooting or photo shooting. So if you look up ahead, you can see that it's getting crowded. So that's the beginning of station 2, and you can tell once we go there that it changed. So I think this station 1 length is very small. So it's the same beach, but it's just separated in 3 different stations, 1, 2 and 3. So the name stations appear actually from the old days when they were tradings, and in order to facilitate the tradings, they divided the beach into different parts, like a station 1, 2 and 3, so they can know where to land the board or where to do the trading. So we have Johnny's Beach Resort and Cafe right here, and you can see that it's changing to lots of trees here. So you're going to see here lots of foreigners. So more, Filipinos and foreigners, they all come here to enjoy and relax. So the one thing about Boracay I didn't like is it's too crowded, because everyone is coming here. But except that, it's a very nice place to stay, but it's way crowded. And you're going to see if we go through station 2 how crowded it is. And if it gets after the evening, it gets even more crowded. So these trees are kind of actually I see something here. I don't know what type of fruits are these, but you can see that there's something like this, some sort of fruits here. They're very small green fruits, but I don't know what are the name of these. But if I see someone, I'm not to ask, but I don't see anyone we can ask. Oh, actually, do you want to ask one of those guys what type of fruit are these?
Yeah, it's okay.
This is it looks like, I don't think they're mango.
No. Mango is different. The leaves is different.
Yeah. That's true.
I'm sure it's not.
Okay, let's ask this gentleman. I think he might know. It looks like he's an instructor. Kumusta? What type of fruit are these?
Tangkalan.
Dangkalan? Can you eat them?
No, sir.
You cannot eat them.
Yeah.
Oh, so they just for show.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Thank you. Salamat.
Thank you.
Okay, so he said these are dankalang, but you cannot eat them. So these are just like, you know, for show, or yes, tree just grow them. So these guys are renting kayaks. You can, you know, rent kayaks, and you can see that everywhere people is taking pictures. And I see lots of see-through boats. Okay, so this should be the beginning of station 2. You can see that there's a separate path there along the way, so you can either walk on the beach or you can walk on that path where lots of shops are located. And here you can see more sailing boats, because that's where all the cruises start. Okay, so the one thing I'm not sure where exactly station 3 starts, so we're going to ask someone along the way that, you know, where does it start. But it doesn't look like it's going to end anytime soon. So once I have a feeling that, you know, it's station 1 is 2 is ending, then you can ask someone where is the beginning of station 3.
I think people are starting to board now for the sunset.
Yeah, this looks like the sunset cruise, which we have the day after tomorrow. So basically they're taking you to the middle of the ocean to watch the sunset, and you can see that the sun is still a little bit high, and that looks like a very popular tour. So still you can see the sand is very white and powdery, and you have to wear, like, you know, sandal or flip-flops, otherwise your shoes is gonna be messed up. So it's a very hot day today, but now it feels much cooler. So it was, I think, 33, but due to humidity it feels much worse than 33. Okay, so once we just go a little far, we can ask someone where is the station 1 starting.
Okay.
But I think we have to wait till we see the D Mall ends. Yeah. You can see all the coconut trees standing in line. It looks very beautiful. So the other part of the island, which is on that side, there is the Bulabog beach, and there are many other beaches. So those are not called any stations. So the station separation is right on this part of the island. See, that's how they're sitting there in the middle.
Oh, they're sitting in the middle of
Yeah, yeah.
the wings.
I think
of the
you're gonna get soaked.
boat. I think I like that.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
They're taking pictures. Yeah, I think I like it. This is
Yeah.
on the wings of the boat, yeah. So is that tomorrow?
No, the day after tomorrow.
Okay. So the day after tomorrow we're going for sunset, right?
Yeah, sunset cruise.
Sunset cruise.
I think you saw the Starbucks. It's right there.
Yeah, I saw it the other day.
Yeah.
It was in my video. Yeah, there's a Starbucks here, close to the beach. That's the Starbucks. going to the middle of the ocean for sunset views, right?
Sunset cruise.
Yeah, sunset view.
Yeah.
Paano kayo ma? Sarap.
Ay, hindi sir. Nagbibideo kami kuya. Oh, the day after tomorrow we have sunset view. Thank you. Oo. Why?
No, the guy was looking at us.
Oh, it's okay. Because both of us are holding the GoPro, that's why.
No, he had a GoPro too. That's why he's looking.
Oh, that's why
Yeah.
he's looking.
Yeah.
So maybe he has idea that we're doing also YouTube, you know.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay, so this is Hainan Crystal Sands Resort right here. So they're like several they have lots of hotels in here, but this is one of them. They're actually all over. I think I see someone doing time lapse of the sun.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There's a place over there.
Actually, you can do that too.
Yeah, that is good, you know.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Especially if it is too crowded, it's so looking much like so good looking if you know there's so much commotion.
Okay, let's do time lapse tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because tomorrow we are on the Bulabog beach, but we are going to come back
Just
to
for
station 2.
just for time lapse. here.
Just for time lapse.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So you're hoping to do another video just walking on the path where the stores are, not on walking on the beach. So hopefully we'll do another video on that in the next coming days. So looks like the D mall starts here.
Yeah.
So that's the mall, sits in the middle of station 2, and it kind of goes like a U-turn way, U-shaped way, and there are lots of shops, restaurants, stores, desserts, lots of things in there. So we do have separate videos on D mall, so I can see that there's someone else doing Instagram or something. You can see that it's very crowded, and if you come here at like 7 o'clock, you're gonna see more people.
No, actually before 7 o'clock it's already like people are leaving because
Leaving?
the sunset is over.
Okay, so
Yeah.
maybe it's a
Remember yesterday we went to eat dinner,
yeah,
and people are already leaving that time.
yeah. Okay, so
We can ask now.
we can ask one of these people where station 3 starts.
We should ask that guy.
Actually, there's lots of tourist police everywhere,
Yeah.
and they're very active. So that's a good thing about here.
Yeah.
We are seeing them
Okay,
everywhere.
this guy, this Kuya.
Who?
Kuya.
Oh, okay.
We can ask Kuya.
So where's the start of station 3?
Yes.
Station 3, where does it start?
Station 3 is
Yeah.
the door.
No, but where it starts?
Still far from here?
Yeah. Start La Carmela.
La Carmela.
Yeah.
The restaurant or
Yeah,
hotel?
that's a hotel.
La Carmela.
Yeah.
La Carmela
Start
start.
from station 3, and then here is 2, and then station 1.
One.
There
Okay.
until
The grotto.
no.
Pas-
Red Coconut.
Red Coconut,
Yeah,
okay.
That's the door.
Okay.
Station.
All right.
Thank you, Kuya.
Salamat.
You have activity tomorrow, sir?
We have everything planned. Thank you.
Everything? Because
Everything.
we have a promo. Just 5 activities, just only 2,000 pieces.
Oh,
5
okay.
activity promo.
No, that's good, but
Maybe you
not
want to avail.
Yesterday
No, not
we
now.
had the island hopping. We went to four islands.
4 islands.
And, yeah, today after tomorrow we are going for sunset cruise, yeah. So everything is already planned, yeah. Thank you, Kuya.
Sorry then, okay.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day.
Salamat.
Yeah.
Okay, we see a mermaid here.
Boracay.
Oh wow, look at that. Mermaid.
Mermaid. So that's actually a nice way of doing mermaid.
But I think it's hot, right?
Yeah, that's
Covering
true.
your body with
Yeah,
sand.
that's true. Probably she's feeling hot.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Okay, watch the stone. He said to look for La Carmela, right?
Yeah, La Carmela
Okay,
Hotel.
actually we can ask some. I think there's something else there too. We can ask
Yeah.
them because I don't think we can know where is La Carmela. We might miss it.
That's true. So it's better to us and us, right?
Yeah. Actually, we can even do the same video again and again because every day you're going to see different people,
Yeah, different people, different scenario,
environments, yeah, different scenario,
different happenings.
yeah, different models.
Yeah, that's true. So this is our, how many days now we're here?
I'm not sure, maybe fifth days?
We came
Fourth?
here,
No, maybe third, no?
we came here at, when was that? 23,
23, oh, okay.
Friday. Today is Monday, so this is our fourth day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Time is going fast.
What is your favorite mango?
Mango, yeah.
Mango.
I've been eating a lot of mango smoothie, mango
The
drinks.
boy is selling something. Do you want
Oh,
to check?
that's a mango, no?
Yeah, wait, let's check.
No, but you know that you don't know how the character washed it.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
Yeah, this boy is very hard worker.
yeah, that's true. Okay, so let's see if we can see Di Carmela.
I think it's far.
Yeah, it could be still far. So guys, the camera stopped due to overheating. So I just have to kind of wait like 5-10 minutes to let it cool down. And then I'm continuing. So we asked the guy.
Sorry, Daddy. It stopped. Okay, stop that. So what were you saying about your camera?
Oh, the camera stopped due to overheating. So we had to stop 5-10 minutes, but we asked someone and he said the Carmela should be another 10-15 minutes
15
walk.
to 20.
15 to 20?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have lifeguards and tourist police over there. Did you see the beach is getting narrower and narrower?
Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah? Okay. Hey, this boy is a little bit like Simon. He was looking at us.
You love Simon
Oh.
very much, yeah?
Yeah, what is this?
I think for picture.
Picture? Oh, okay. Oh, look at the cute baby.
The baby's not looking at the camera.
That baby is looking at sand.
Yeah. Oh, now the sun is like not very.
Yeah, the sand is getting a little bit coarse.
Yeah, not fine
Yeah, it's not.
anymore.
Yeah,
I can feel.
yeah, it's not like powdery fine. You can see that there's another Hainan. This is Hainan Regency Hotel. So this is ocean facing Hainan.
doing also a
Where?
video here.
Oh,
There's-
okay, yeah. Someone is doing time lapse or something.
Another Hanan.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. There are so many.
Where? I
Hanan.
don't see.
There.
Oh, yeah.
Hanan. I think Hanan Hotel here is everywhere.
Yeah.
Hindi siya tatawag, Janaya. No, 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 no.
Okay, I know this. They're taking picture. Oh, they're done. You have to come around still. Where's our other hotel? It should be somewhere here, right?
The
Chris-
Calypso?
Calypso, yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Or maybe we passed it, no?
That I'm not really sure.
Oh, okay.
But you know what? I will remember, you know, because
Yeah, that's
yeah,
true.
I think it's very easy to recognize the Calypso because of the name.
Oh,
Yeah. I can feel that, you know, it's getting harder to walk on the
walk.
sand.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah,
Unlike at the station 1,
Yep.
going to station 2,
yeah. It's
you know,
easier to walk.
It's easy to walk. Now it's kind of heavy,
Yeah,
heavier,
yeah.
right?
It's a step. You have to
Yeah.
put more pressure.
Yeah, put more pressure when you're walking.
Kadata, dapat ang nalaan niyo kung makikuha.
Oh, look.
Ooh.
Oh no, almost. Yeah. I feel like I want to just hold my slippers
Yeah, that's
and
true.
walk barefooted.
Yeah.
Oh, they are making castle here.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, now we can ask this police guy.
Okay, let's ask. If we pass over the La Carmela. Oh,
¿Cómo está,
follow-
officer? Where's the start of station 3? Go ahead. Just keep going. Huh?
I'm thinking this is the. Oh, it's still not. I thought this
Oh,
is Calypso.
I think it is. It is coming up
Yeah.
after this.
Okay. So the officer said it's still ahead, right?
Yeah, I still keep walking.
Oh my God! Can you feel? Can you see the sand? It's different.
Yeah, now it's
texture now.
getting even worse.
Yeah, it's a different texture now.
Yeah, I don't think I can walk here. So So it's kind of getting a little bit darker now.
So what time we started again? 5:15 you said?
5:15. Oh, it's been 45 minutes. But
So-
we stopped a few minutes here and there.
But not a long time.
Not a long time, yeah, that's true.
So it's like 45 minutes now that we're walking?
Yeah.
We're walking? Yeah,
Yeah.
walking, sorry. Walking. Thank you, sir. Oh, this is La Carmela.
Where? Oh.
There. Okay.
Okay, so I think this is the beginning of
Let's go
Station
to
3,
La Carmela.
but you can ask those guys there.
But the guy said when you are at La Carmela,
Yeah?
that is the start
Yeah, I know, but
point
we have
of
to-
the Station 3.
Yes, but you have to double check with someone else.
Okay, let's go.
We can ask those lifeguard guys. So this is the station. Most possible this is Station 3, but we'll just confirm with those
Okay,
people
so
there.
I remember this part. This is going to the Calypso, so we're close to the Calypso now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no,
So
come here,
do
come
you
here.
remember this walkway?
Yeah?
Yeah, and that store.
Oh, that's the store, okay.
Yeah. Okay, you ask Kuya. Kuya!
Kuya, Station 3, where does it start? Station 3 starts here? It starts here or here? It starts
Okay.
here.
Okay, this is
Oh,
Station 3.
Thank you. How far is how long is the walk for Station 3?
Station?
How long is the walk? How long is it going to take a walk to finish Station 3? Sorry? All the way?
All the
Okay,
way is
all right.
Station 3.
All right,
Okay,
thank you.
Kuya.
Okay, so I think he didn't understand. I was asking how long it's going to take to walk the whole thing. But I think it's going to be but I have a good feeling it's up to there because see, it doesn't go up beyond that.
Okay, so let's
But
let's
it's a
go
long walk.
up.
Still, it's a long walk. So we'll see how far.
Let's go up to there.
Yeah.
So Daddy, this is the Calypso.
Oh yeah, this is our hotel. So Calypso Beach and Drive Resort. That's where we stayed first night, and that's the restaurant we ate.
Yeah,
We had
and,
breakfast.
Free breakfast.
And actually, they have a nice pool here, and then we ate there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it was a very nice breakfast.
Yeah. So the breakfast
Yeah.
was very nice. So now we have a good understanding of station 1, 2, and 3.
But I cannot believe that we did it today, you know?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. We're planning again to do it tomorrow, but
Yeah,
it's good that we just did it today. You know?
yeah. I see the path on the store by the store is blending, so I think it's gonna end soon. See, it's kind of getting smaller.
Do you remember we walked here our first night?
Yeah,
And we reached up to certain point that there was like no more stores, and that's why I told you to just go back to the
Oh,
hotel.
right, yeah,
remember?
yeah. So this is gonna end soon. Yeah,
And so I think that is the end of the Station 3.
yeah.
I'm just thinking.
So these stores are going to end at one point, and it's getting a bit darker, so we have to see how far we can cover. You can see some boats there.
And that is where you're supposed to buy a mango shake.
Oh,
and
that's
you
where?
change your mind, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there's another officer. You want to ask now?
No, it's okay.
Oh, I think they are using drone and they need the permission.
Yeah.
But I like it here, you know, the way they, have police officers here. They are everywhere and they are really checking on people.
Yeah, that's true.
So it means that they are really doing their job.
Yeah, it's very secure, safe and secure here.
Yeah. So now I'm thinking after we pass these sailboats, it
Yeah.
means that
That's
that's
the
the
end?
end of the
Station 3?
station 3.
That could be. Yeah, we're going to see. Oh, they're doing time lapse of sun.
Yeah. Sunset, right?
Yeah. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna do that.
Because it's a different video.
Yeah. You know how to set it up, time lapse for GoPro, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I think for time lapse you have to do the longer interval. We'll figure out more.
If you want, we can test tonight how to say it, like how speed you want.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, someone is doing exercise.
Wait, the sand is on my, the sand is,
Oh,
I'm said, it hurts my feet, you know, it goes to my under feet.
oh, you can do so many push-ups. I can't believe it. But you know, the way we are eating, we should be doing push-ups too. We are gaining weight, I think.
Maybe you need push-up.
Yeah.
I don't need. I just need to keep walking.
Oh, see, this is even harder now to walk. Yeah.
And it goes to my feet, you know,
Yeah,
and it hurts. But at the station 1, the sand is very fine and you can walk really barefooted.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. It's like powder, you know?
Yeah. Oh, look at this. This is where we're coming later. Ocean Club Resort. I think so.
Okay.
We'll
Are you
check the
sure?
name. Yeah, I think so.
That is where we're going to stay for the other night.
Yeah, that's where you have access to the pool from your room.
Oh wow. Oh, we can see it from outside.
Actually, you can see from
yeah,
here.
Because I can see that there is a. Oh, look at the.
Yeah?
Look at this.
Oh
The-
yeah, that's true. Yeah.
No, I'm saying we can check. We can go closer and check.
Yeah, we can check.
Yeah.
And they have a nice cafe there too. Okay, wait, watch. I think the boats this type they're in Thailand too. Okay, you wanna
Yeah, I
check?
can see the pool. You know, we don't. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I can see it. But let's go closer.
Yeah.
So Ahmed Dawn said that this will be our hotel for one night, and when it will be
It's like 3 more nights later.
3 more nights later. Okay. So this is the. So we are going to stay. Which do you know the floor?
No, it has to be on the ground floor. I'm
Okay.
not sure what you're gonna get, but we'll see.
Yeah.
So it's like you have access to the pool from your room.
Yeah.
And I think there's more. It's just like this part. I think it goes across.
Yeah, it goes to the left.
Yeah.
Goes more to the left. Yeah. I think this pool is big.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the ocean club.
Ocean Club. And then they have a nice cafe here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a 24-hour cafe, which is good. Oh, that's a nice cafe to sit.
And you're
And have coffee.
looking, while you're drinking your coffee, you are
Yeah.
looking at the beach. And look at the sun.
Oh yeah, you can see the sun is setting there.
Yeah, it's over. But we will have a chance to see the sunset on when? The next night, right?
The cruise, you mean?
Yeah, the sunset cruise.
Sunset cruise is the day after tomorrow. Marzon Boracay. So this is another resort. Okay, now we better go by the sand.
Okay, okay, let's go here. Let's go this way.
Okay, watch your step. Okay, so oh, look at these trees. They're a little bit slanted,
Yeah.
so they're very good for pictures and stuff.
But I think the popular tree is on the other side at the Bulabog Beach.
Yeah, that's the one we had in
Yeah,
front of us.
people are going there like start just early in the morning,
Yeah,
and even it's hot in the afternoon. People are there for picture,
Yeah.
for their Instagram and YouTube,
Yeah.
or TikTok.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, my battery is gonna die soon, so we have to stop and change battery. Not yet though.
Okay, let me know.
We just keep going for now.
Actually, it's stuck. You know what?
Yes.
Let's just ask one more time, okay?
That's just what?
Where is the end of the station 3? Because we don't know if
Yeah, we have to ask someone.
we
But-
are walking too far.
No, I have a good feeling. As long as you go, then it's gonna be end. You cannot go anymore. You kind of see it there, but you can ask someone. Villa Camila.
Oh, you know, I can see from here that there is police officers ahead of us, so we can
Okay.
ask again.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, if that is the end of the station 3.
How do you say good evening?
Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi, right?
Oh, yes.
Magandang umaga, magandang happy.
Magandang gabi is night.
No, the afternoon, magandang happy.
Afternoon is like magandang hapon.
Hapon, yeah, hapon. And magandang gabi.
It's night. So you don't say now like magandang gabi.
Gabi, magandang gabi.
Yeah, just say now magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi. Oh, it's a little bit windy here.
Yeah. And windy but humid.
Humid, yeah, a little bit humid. And you can see there's like not many stores along the way.
Yeah. Hi, sir. Okay.
Magandang gabi, officers. Where does the station 3 end?
Station 3.
Ends, yeah, where does it end?
Until that.
Until that part?
Oh, that part.
So another like 10-15 minutes walk? Okay, alright.
So this is still part of the station 2 or
Station 3.
Oh, so this is station 3 now. Oh yeah, it's station 3. Sorry. Okay, and
Alright.
that is the end of the station 3. Thank you, sir.
Have you been in the
Station 1.
Yeah,
we start at the station 1. Now.
Yeah, we're walking from station 1.
Yeah.
Going up to the end of station 3. Alright, salamat.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, wait, look at the sunset. Okay, so we are very close now. So another maybe 10-15 minutes walk. But it was a long walk. It just doesn't feel like it.
Yeah, because you love to walk and see the station 1 to station 3. That's why I don't feel bad, you know.
Yeah, that's
walking.
true. Okay, now where the flag is,
Yeah.
we're going to stop and change my battery.
All right.
It's almost at 0% now. Okay. One sec, it's not recording. I mean, it's not charging. Why can't I charge? It doesn't charge, look. I don't understand.
Just in the battery.
I think it cannot charge and record at the same time,
Yeah.
but that shouldn't be though.
No, mine is working like that.
It doesn't record and charge?
No, it records and charge while
Then
charging.
how is like this? See, it's not charging, you can tell, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll change. No, it's not gonna work.
Okay, then change the
Just
battery.
forget it, yeah. So we had to change batteries a few times and then it got overheated, but looks like we are now close to the end. And I have a, it's kind of, it ends right there where you see the rock is, but we are going to pass those like, you know, white guys there wearing white clothes, and then we'll just come back. But let's see, we are almost you know, at the end of station 3. And the water here is turquoise, crystal clear water. You can actually see through, which you'll be able to see in other videos, that, you know, you can look on the bottom of the ocean. They're so happy.
I think they're doing
They're playing
photos,
games?
for Instagram or whatever.
Oh, okay.
Because I saw them jumping. high,
Jumping, yeah.
Like all together
Yep.
at once.
Oh yeah, there's like, you know, they have a group of people. Actually, I see someone there.
Yeah.
Who's a guy, but he has longer hair than women.
Yeah.
You saw him?
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah. There's another resort or hotel here. I cannot see the name.
It's written like Ayuna.
Oh,
Ayuna.
Ayun, yeah. Yeah,
Okay,
see beyond that you cannot even go. It's finished there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you read the Ayuna?
No, Ayuna. Yeah, Ayuna, something like that.
Yeah.
I'm not sure exactly how you say that, but it looks like Ayuna.
Yeah, Ayuna.
Okay, what time is it? 6:20. Okay. So, do you want to walk up to the rock or you want to just finish here?
Yeah, I think it's okay here. There's nothing more to show there anyway.
Yeah, so there's a rock there. Let's see, I see people are going in there. But you don't want to walk anymore, right?
Yeah, I think it's okay here.
Okay, here?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the end of station 3. Actually, this ends right there. That's my guess. But you know, you can see that there's not much there. But we started all the way kind of there and it's walked from here. I think it took us about 1 hour, 1.5 hours I would say. And the sun is setting right now. And this was the complete station 1 to station 3 walk in Boracay. So for more Boracay videos, you can watch the playlist. There's going to be a lot more videos from this region of Philippines, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. So I'm with Ahmed Dawn right now. See you in the next video. Bye.